Everyone, my name is Kajal Andhale. I am from Bachelor and recently I completed my bachelor's degree from Phule University. And during my studies, I also focused on continuously improving my skill sets. So I joined the QSpiders Training and Placement Institute. Because of the respective trainers, I give the training and hands-on practice, and also some theoretical and practical knowledge from that. And QSpiders arrange some mock interviews. Because of the mock interviews, I have clearance about each and every concept, and I also improve my interview skills. And they also arrange some presentations, and because of the presentations, I will able to improve my presentation skills, and also I improve my confidence. And then they also arrange some grooming sessions, and because of the grooming sessions, I will able to deeply understood all the concepts and revise all the concepts because of the grooming sessions. And I am confidential about my skills and my knowledge, and I will able to ready for my interview.